Hi everyone, welcome back. On this video I'll be showing you how you can make changes with your phone number on Amazon account. In order to change your phone number on Amazon account, first of all you need to open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in www.amazon.com. You can also do this procedure with the help of an application. Either way the procedure will remain the same. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Once you're on this page, go ahead and click on your name or the username right on top. After that, click on it and it's going to direct you to your account page. Under it, there are a variety of options. You'll need to go ahead and click on login and security. After that, it's going to direct you to the login and security page where you can make changes with your information such as your name, email address and all that. In order to make changes with your phone number, click on the edit button next to the phone number. After that, you'll be asked to type in the new phone number that you want to replace it with. Select the country's code first of all. After that, enter in the phone number that you want to replace it with. Click on the continue button as soon as you're done with that. So in order to verify your phone number, you'll be sent a verification code. So click on the OK button and then you'll be receiving a verification code through SMS. So over here, you'll need to type in the verification code or an OTP. So quickly enter in that information. Click on the verify button as soon as you're done entering the OTP. Once again, you need to confirm it. So for that, you need to type in the password associated with your Amazon account. Click on the Save Changes button, which is right at the bottom. Here you wrote that the phone number has been successfully changed, and in this way you can change your phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.